Hey guys, this is Zach. Today I'm going to run through a video showing you the few steps that you have to go through before you're able to make your toolpaths. So let me open up a new one here. So on this, you will start by selecting what operation you're doing. This package is only milling, so I don't have a choice to select anything else. But from there, you would click OK, and you would see your CAM tree. So now I'm going to actually open a new one and show you what to do if you ever say you hit cancel when you do all your work and then you realize when you click the CAM tree there's nothing there. So what you're going to do is go to modules and then new CAM job, and that's going to bring you back to what pops up when you initially open the page. Then you can hit OK. If this ever gets closed out, again you see it's not there anymore, modules, and you can just click CAM tree. And it's going to pop back up whatever you have. So if you have all your toolpaths and stuff in here, you're not going to lose anything. You can just go over there. Both of those are in modules. So whether you just need to pull your CAM tree back up or do a new CAM job. So that's pretty simple. Here, let me show you this. So the other thing, so I didn't select anything from my stock yet. So if you go to run a toolpath, you haven't set a stock, it's going to tell you that nothing's defined and you need to define it. So what you do for that is, let me show you. Stock right here, you can right click on it, stock wizard. You have a handful of options. I'm going to hit on a couple of them and you can use what you need. They're all selected the same way. So it's rectangle, and you can literally just tell it what size you want. One by one by one. You have an option to move this location around. Put it wherever you want it. So that's pretty straightforward. Let me bounce back over here to another page. I actually made a model to show you. So if you want to select that as your stock, which I believe I already did on this one, but you just hit solid model right here. Pick solid model, click it, right click, hit OK, and then OK. So that selects that as my stock. So again, stock, right click, stock wizard, and then you select. So say, bounce back over to this page. Stock wizard. So if you want to do a cylinder, again same thing, diameter 2 inches, 3 inches in height. You want it on zeros for X, Y, and Z. Say if you want to do 100,000 diameter offset, you can see it gets bigger. Base offset. You have your different options. So it's pretty easy to set that up. It's just if you don't have anything set up, then it's gonna make you set it up. That's really the only real restriction to being able to run the toolpath. You had to set that first. The other thing I would recommend doing before you start doing all your toolpaths is under here, you're basically setting the location of where you want your port coordinate. So your G54, G55, whatever you're doing. So in order to do that, you can come in here like I did, right click on machine setup, and you can rename that. Let's say you wanted to call that op1. You right click on that, edit, and then set it. So it would have been 00 initially. I had messed with this already. So right there, and you can pick where you want it, or again, if you know the size of this, if you want this -1, -1, you want this back corner, and you hit OK. So from there, now if you have clicked off of it, I know people have definitely got confused, and I think it confused me a little. This is no longer your work coordinate. What you're seeing there is irrelevant. When you click on this and have it highlighted, it'll show you that's what everything's going to drive off of, all your geometry when you set your toolpath. So I recommend doing these few things before you start doing all your toolpaths, because if you do toolpath and then move it, it can kind of jack you up, and you may have to run through and reselect geometry. So that's a few basic steps. I just wanted to make a quick video to help people get started, because I know there's questions on that kind of stuff pretty often. So Feel free to reach out to me if you have any more questions or if you have any certain topics that you want me to focus on. Thank you.